Cammie's word today. I'm Cameron Word. Today's word is cough drop. A cough drop is a medicated candy to soothe a person's throat and prevent coughing. While they come in many flavors, some of the most common are lemon and honey. Some cough drops taste so good that some people eat them like pure candy. Cough drops are a must for anyone with a scratchy throat. For example, Anya is always sure to carry cough drops with her so that her throat is in its best condition to sing at a moment's notice. 각각 C, D로 시작합니다. 두 단어 보내주세요.